Step-by-step guide for the dumbbell, curtsy lunge plus arm curl with mini band above knees, plus the muscles worked and benefits. How to do it properly. 1 setup. Place a mini resistance band above your knees. Hold a dumbbell in each hand. Arms fully extended at your sides, palms facing forward or neutral. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Slight tension on the band, knees gently pushed outward. 2 movement, step by step. Step 1, curtsy lunge. Step your right leg diagonally behind your left leg. Bend both knees and lower into a curtsy position. Keep your chest up and core engaged. Front knee stays aligned with toes, don't let it cave inward. Step 2, add arm curl. As you lower into the lunge, perform a bicep curl. Bring dumbbells toward your shoulders. Keep elbows close to your body. Step 3, band engagement. Push your knees slightly outward against the band. This activates your glutes and outer hips. Step 4, return to start. Push through your front heel to stand up. Lower the dumbbells back down with control. Return your back leg to starting position. Step 5, repeat. Complete reps, then switch legs. Muscles working. Lower body, gluteus medius, side glutes. Main focus, helps build wider hips. Gluteus maximus for power and shape. Quadriceps of front thigh stabilization. Hamstrings, assist during the upward movement. Inner thighs, adductors, activated due to crossing motion. Upper body, biceps, during the curl. Forearms, grip strength. Core and stabilizers. Core muscles, balance and control. Hip stabilizers, especially from the mini band tension. Benefits of this exercise. 1. Builds side glutes, hourglass shape. The mini band plus curtsy angle strongly targets gluteus medius, helps create a wider, rounder hip appearance, tuned full body efficiency. Combines lower body plus upper body, biceps. Saves time while increasing calorie burn. 3. Improves balance and coordination. The crossing step challenges your stability. Great for functional strength. Knee and hip stability. Band forces knees outward, strengthens stabilizing muscles. Helps reduce injury risk. The better mind-muscle connection. You'll feel both glutes and arms working together. Great for controlled, intentional training. Common mistakes to avoid. Letting the front knee collapse inward. Leaning too far forward, keep chest upright. Not using the band, loses side glute activation. Swinging dumbbells instead of controlled curls. Pro tip, for maximum glute activation, push through your front heel. Slightly lean your torso forward, just a little. Keep constant tension on the band the whole time. Thanks for watching.